Have you ever wondered how a single case can shift the landscape of the law in America? Consider the Supreme Court, a pillar of justice in the heart of Washington, D.C. Here, 9 justices gather to deliberate on a case that has the potential to shape the nation's legal future. We find ourselves in the midst of a constitutional challenge, a case that pushes the boundaries of individual rights in the digital age. Chief Justice Roberts, an embodiment of the court's gravitas, presides over the proceedings, steering the discourse with a keen legal mind. Justice Ginsburg, a relentless defender of equality, brings to light concerns about potential privacy infringements in digital surveillance methods under question. On the other side of the bench, Justice Thomas, a firm believer in originalism, argues for an interpretation of the Constitution's text as it was understood at the time of drafting. In this legal dance, Justice Sotomayor, equipped with her in-depth knowledge of criminal law, ponders the implications of this case on law enforcement practices. Justice Kavanaugh, a scholar of constitutional law, delves into the intricate details of Fourth Amendment protections in the digital realm. The decisions made within these chambers echo far beyond their walls. The Supreme Court's rulings have the power to set precedents, molding the legal framework that governs the nation. The role of each justice in interpreting the Constitution showcases a diversity of legal philosophies, ensuring a thorough examination of each case. The Supreme Court, through intense debate, respect for legal precedent, and adherence to the rule of law, plays a pivotal role in upholding the principles upon which the United States was founded. The narrative of the American Supreme Court system evolves with each case, weaving a rich tapestry of justice that withstands the test of time. So, as the sun sets over Washington, D.C., the Supreme Court stands tall, a symbol of justice, a testament to the enduring power of law, and a reminder of the profound impact a single case can have on the nation's legal landscape.